Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here is a 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30 metre hoses that are available. Proper rubber hose, industrial quality, 1 wire braid, 250 bar, 1/4 inch. Now what you'll see here is Karcher probe and a Karcher probe. Now this hose has been built with BSP threads, standard threads. So one end goes into the gun, the other end goes into the machine for the K series models of the Karchers. So it could be the Karcher K2 compact and so on. Make sure that obviously on that side, some of the machines, the bigger range, you might need to change a bit. Now we've also put cuffs on both ends. These cuffs move backwards and forwards, so this cuff can be pushed back. So when you push it into a gun side, certain guns, you'd pull the cuff back and you'd slot it up to stop the movement inside there, so it's nice and snug and tight. So on some machines you'll have your Karcher quick release coupling coming out of the pressure washer. Make sure you match the flats to the flats, and same on the gun side. If you look inside the gun you'll see 2 springs. Make sure you match them up. But like I said, this rubber cuff, this pulls back, so it slots inside the gun, and pull the rubber cuff up behind it so it's nice and snug and tight. So there's no movement in there. But the main beauty about this hose is it's made with standard 1/4 inch BSP threads. So if you want to change it or buy a drain nozzle or something else, change your machine, all you need to do is unscrew the end, and we've got a 1/4 inch BSP thread there. These probes, 1/4 inch BSP, Karcher probes, so you can simply change it with any machine you need to at any stage, so it's not a throwaway world. Thanks very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.